Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Want to make your Shopify store feel more personalized, engaging, and on brand without touching a single line of code? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add new sections to your Shopify theme, step by step, using the built-in theme editor. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a more unique storefront that helps your products shine. And the best part is, you don't need any technical skills or coding experience. So let's dive in and get started right away. First, head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your main dashboard where you manage everything in your store, from products to orders to store design. If you're already logged in, you'll see a sidebar on the left. This is where all your options live. And if you're not logged in yet, just pop in your credentials and you'll be good to go. Next, find Online Store in the sidebar. Click on it, and you'll see a few options. It's basically the home base for all things design and theme related. After clicking Online Store, you'll see your current theme displayed. Now, click the Themes button. This section lists any themes you've uploaded or purchased, but more importantly, it's where we access the customization tools. Once you're on the Themes page, look for your live theme, the one customers see, and you'll spot a button labeled Customize. Go ahead and click that. This will launch Shopify's theme editor, which honestly is one of the best user-friendly tools for setting up the look and feel of your site. It might take a second to load, especially if your store has lots of images or apps, but don't worry, once you're in, the real magic starts. Now, focus your attention on the left side of the screen. This area is called the Homepage panel, and it gives you an overview of all the current sections that make up your homepage, like headers, product showcases, image banners, and footers. Every element here is customizable, and this panel is sort of like the blueprint for your site. Even if you're just exploring for the first time, take a second to click through these sections. It'll help you get familiar with how your theme is organized. Here's where it gets really easy. At the top and bottom of this panel, and often between sections, you'll see a blue label that says Plus Add Section. Depending on your theme, you'll notice you can add new sections in the header, the main template area, or the footer. Shopify has a bunch of ready-made section options, like featured products, testimonials, newsletters, and more. Think of these as building blocks. Want a new row of products on your homepage? Want to highlight a customer review or include a stylish video? This is where you add those kinds of elements. To add a new section, just click that blue Add Section button. A menu will pop up showing all the different kinds of sections you can insert. No need to worry. Browse through, read the little previews, and choose the one that fits your needs best. Once you've made your choice, just select it. Customize the content, like images, text, or colors, and drag it to position if the theme allows. And there you have it. That's literally all it takes. You've added a new section to your Shopify theme with no coding required. If you're worried about messing something up, don't be. Shopify saves changes as drafts before you publish, so you can always preview and adjust before anything goes live. And if you don't like how a new section looks, you can remove it with just a click. That's it. Simple, straightforward, and super effective. Customizing your Shopify store is a fantastic way to make it feel truly yours. And these sections are key to showcasing what makes your brand special. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other customization features you'd like to see covered. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future Shopify tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and happy building!